Hey everyone, what's up guys? How are you guys doing today? So you're welcome back to my channel and you're welcome back to today's video. Now in today's video I'm gonna be showing you how you can actually lose some of those belly fat and look healthy. Now this drink you're going to begin to see results in 3 days, and trust me guys, all of the ingredients in here are natural and they are actually something you can actually get, okay? So do not worry. Now when you're actually taking this, know that you would have to at least do away with some soda and too much of fatty food, so that you know that this drink is actually going to be removing the fat stored in your body and not you storing it again. Is removing and you're putting it back, and you now say it does not work. All right, so let me take you right into this video. Do not forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe and share. And now let us go. All right guys, to lose those belly fats in 3 days with this amazing juice, with this amazing cabbage juice, you're going to first of all need this. This is actually going to help to reduce all of those annoying fats here and there, okay? You're going to be needing to use cucumber. Now cucumber contains a beta carotene, and it's also an antioxidant. It helps so much for the body and also for the skin. The amount of juice in this cucumber would actually help to flush out the fat cells and reduce it all up. So since I have half cut of my cucumber, I do not need to cut a new one, and since I'm going to be using just a little of this, okay? So this is what I'm going to be doing. Going to be cutting into pieces. We're going to grab a blender. Alright, so after that is done, we're just going to be keeping that aside. And then also we're going to be needing this, and this is ginger. Alright, so you're going to be needing ginger for this drink to activate it. Now ginger is very good for cold, cough, flu, and it's also a great ingredient when it comes to removing all unnecessary fats, okay? It helps your body stay healthy, and it also diminishes all unwanted fat cells, okay? So we're gonna be peeling this all up. I'm not an expert when it comes to peeling ginger, because I know I've actually peeled ginger once in my video, and a lot of people were saying, oh, you don't know how to peel ginger. I'm not making a tutorial on peeling ginger. I'm only just showing you what ginger would do to your body when it comes to removing some stubborn fats. Yeah. Alright guys, so now I would have to cut it into pieces, and then grab my blender again, put it in, put in a little more water to enable me blend this. And now we blend. Okay guys, so after that is done, we're going to be sieving it out. Okay guys, so this is it. It's ready. The cucumber and ginger is not ready. Okay, so now we move forward to the cabbage. Alright, so we're gonna be needing some huge cabbage for this. I'm gonna be peeling this side of the cabbage. Alright guys, so now I would have to be cutting cabbage out, and then we'll have to pieces it, okay? Okay, so after doing that, then we'll have to be turning this into the blender. This is a very healthy belly fat drink. Guys, this is not only going to serve as reduction of fat, but it's going to equally make you healthy. You're gonna stay healthy and equally look healthy. And now what we're going to be needing is lemon. We're going to be adding some lemon into this drink to activate it and actually make it really effective. This is actually going to be very perfect for even if you're an ulcer patient. This particular belly fat or fat reduction drink is a perfect one for you, and it's going to help you to stay healthy and remove fat. Okay, so I have a half cut of lemon here, and I'm gonna be squeezing that in. Okay guys, so after doing that, then I'll grab my cup, and then I would have to sieve this out. Okay, so here I have my cabbage and lemon, my cucumber and ginger. So now we have to turn them in, and the color is actually very friendly, and also we're gonna be enjoying it literally. Okay, so this is it, and you would have every reason to enjoy this drink, and it also would do the job of removing your fat cells and, you know, making your skin look healthy, and also making you look healthy too. Okay, so this is it. Go give this a go. This is actually very good for even an ulcer patient, or you're allergic. Even if you cannot take lemon, you can just squeeze just a little, just like you've seen me do. I squeeze just a little into this drink, not too much, so that it won't override it and then make it too, you know, harsh. But this is very friendly enough for you to take every day. You can even take it morning and night, but when you want to take it morning and night, you have to make sure that your lemon is actually not too much. Okay, so that's it, guys. Go give this a go. Give this cabbage 3 days fat reduction drink a go. All right, so that's it. All of the ingredients in here are very, very natural, and they are actually very, very healthy for the body. They do a whole lot of things for your body. Okay, so that's it, guys. Go give this drink a go. And for now, I can't take any fat reduction drink because of my baby, and yeah, go give this a go, yeah, and I'm sure you're going to be loving it. Okay, so I'll see you again in my next video, and thumbs up, subscribe and share. Bye.